si Lolo.
He didn't want to give me that passport back. He thought I was Filipino.
Somebody cover.
Then he's gone. He's gone.
On 5. Yun.
Okay.
Akala ko hindi ako makakaabot sa oras kasi grabe yung baha sa daan. Like hanggang ngayon, no? Umuulan, no? Tapos wala kaming canopy na kung saan pwede makasilong. Isang basa na, oh. Pero in fairness, ang ganda ng background dito, ha. Twin Dragon. Lalabas kami ngayon sa Laos exit kasi malapit na maubos yung visa ko. Yan, iba tong video natin ngayon, hindi yung typical na motovlogging since ang Laos yung pinakamalapit na border dito, na makapunta ka through bus. So ayun, hinintay namin yung bus at 1 AM. It's around 12 na ngayon, so we have 1 hour more to go, and then at 1 AM pupunta na kami ng Laos, biyaheng Bukid. Tapos darating kami doon at around 6 to 7 AM. Tapos exit sa border, then we have to wait for until lunch para makuha yung visa namin. Magastos kasi mahal yung bayad. Anyway, update ko kayo guys, and I'm so sorry di motovlogging ngayon, but I'll make motovlogging for sure. Bye bye. So currently we are here already.
Wala si ate. Wala, nag-exit na daw ng ano, sabi niya.
Nag-exit na siya.
Siya pa naman yung spokesperson namin.
Yes, I see.
Time check, it's 3 AM.
Sa likod ako umihi. Hindi ako gumamit ng ano. Palayan na pala sa likod.
Masarap ba yung pagkain dyan?
Kain kayo.
Kain nga tayo.
Mainit-init pa yun.
Oo nga eh, ngayon parang malamig na eh. So we're going back again. Local pala yan? Local yan, nasa kan?
I don't know. Hindi ako sure. Hindi siya.
Ha?
Hindi.
Hindi? Marunong ko, no?
Hinahanap ko.
Ang ha?
Hinahanap ka?
Oo, ang cockroach. Hinahanap ko yung cockroach. Di mo napansin kanina yung cockroach? Okay, karating lang namin ngayon. So, yung Glacier. So, kakatapos lang ng stamp and we're heading to Lao Immigration. Haha, tingnan mo naman. Yun. Travel ka lang, sir? Akala ko magturo ka? Hindi. Okay, Would you mind if I include you in my video?
Vlog mo din.
Documentation.
Documentation.
I-upload sa i-upload sa YouTube.
Yun nga yun.
So we're officially in Laos Republic. Ang gagawin namin ngayon is we have to wait for 4 to 5 hours dito lang sa loob, mag-iikot pa. Kaya mag-ikot-ikot kami dito sa loob hanggang ibalik na yung visa. Send sa amin yung visa. Okay, we're having a dinner. Hindi ako nag-dinner, so this is my dinner.
I think the food is fine.
Fine, just fine.
The eggs are very good.
Wow, that's great.
Guys, from the Philippines, hot dog is very nice. I love hot dog.
Sir?
They're very good. It's like, yes.
Alright, okay. Alright, so we are heading home. Look at us going to Vietnam now. These are friends here.
Your vlogging career. Hello.
We are finally done. We're just waiting for our friends. Are you done, sir?
Yeah, I'm done having my visa.
Wow. When are you coming back, sir?
My visa will expire on November 20 and then we will be coming back on November 15. That's Friday.
Our sister here. Brothers and sister. Busy eating.
Dude, how does he think I was Filipino? He didn't want to give me that passport back. He thought I was Filipino. I'm like, why does he not want to give it back?
Just remember
I'm sorry, do I look Filipino?
I think because you're with us all the time.
just remember that.
We are finally here.
Diba?
No, say okay, like this. Okay, alright. Happy birthday.
Kompleto na ba?
Wala pa si baby boy.
Wow, grabe yung titigan nila kanina.
Alright.
Saan?
Doon
Dito
sa...
ba siya? Oo, choice.
Hindi ka naman namin niyatid doon.
Oo, makipag-exchange.
Friends here.
Really high by the time we came back to Hanoi because he smoked so much. It was like,
It's so funny.
we thought he was going to jail. He was in that building way too long.
Maybe they pitied him.
Yeah, we got
Yeah, actually,
Perhaps he had chosen or he chose to pay them to stay there or to sleep there.
Yeah.
To stay behind bars. Maybe.
There was a few of us that was sitting there
I would do
watching.
the same. I would if that was a life.
May nasagasaan kasi yung isang sasakyan na kasabayan namin. Nasagasaan niya yung isang matanda na nakamotor. So siguro o nagsalubungan. Ang bilis siguro ng patakbo ng matanda. Kaya yun, parang ano ba yun? Gumiling siya sa daan. Di namin alam kung patay ba, pero pagkakaalam ko sabi ng nakausap namin na angoy, dead na daw si Lolo.
People, yeah, in, out, 16 in.
so what happened to the driver, motorcyclist?
Guys, the motorcycle goes on our. So he drive near the middle of the road. Yeah, so
his fault.
The driver or the bike?
the bike,
The bike. What
bike,
happened?
and it was a turn, like
Yeah.
you turn. So there is like no
Oh.
chance. We drive like strict to our.
He overshot.
The bike did.
So, is he dead already?
We don't know.
Was he taken by an ambulance or is he still over there?
Where is the...
Somebody cover the body.
Then he's gone.
I think so.
guys, we're finally here after 20 hours of riding and waiting all in all. Yeah. Look at ganda oh sa likod ko. Diba? Nice. Ngayon, magbubuk tayo ng Grab. Another 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers. Tatlo na lang kami natira dito.
Difference, yeah, it's still a little swollen. It will be for at least the next 2 days. What?
Dito nung walang ko.
Oh my God, wala namang ulan.
Go baro ah.
Yeah.